Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Anju Speaks Tech. In this episode, we will talk about Gemini CLI. Yes. So on June 25, that is last month actually, Google launched an open source AI agent, and that really brings the power of Gemini directly into our terminal. Yes. So the Linux administrator, database administrator, DevOps people, they were badly looking for such an agent which can really assist in their activities. And the fantastic feature of Google Gemini CLI is you can download it on your machine and you can use it. So that's the beauty of Gemini CLI. And in this video, what I'm going to do is, so I shall try to install Postgres on one of the Linux sandboxes where I have already installed Gemini CLI. And but the catch is I will not use any command by myself. Okay, so I shall just ask Gemini CLI. I shall use prompts, and then let's see if Gemini CLI can help me to install Postgres on that machine or not. Okay, so let's get started. So here now I have my cloud sandbox. So basically, there's an Ubuntu version 2022, Sami Jalaf's version. I so I have already installed Gemini here. Now, how to install Gemini on your machine? So the link is available in the description of this video. You can go and check it out. So another point I like to specify that here I am using the free tier of Gemini CLI where I have used an API key using which I can only do 100 requests per day because that is a free tier. Okay, if you want, you can opt for any other tier based on your workload or your uh, case. Okay, case study. Okay, fine. Now here I have created one directory, my project. So it's just a simple directory. Why? Because otherwise, if I try to run the Gemini on my home directory, it will show that it is running on the home directory. So please try to run in a project specific directory. Okay, so that's why I have created a directory as my project, and there I have installed Gemini CLI. Okay, and now how to interact with the Gemini CLI. Okay, so basically this will Gemini will provide me another CLI within this machine, and how to uh, invoke that. We just after installation we just need to write Gemini and enter, and here you are. And if you want to exit, you just do yes, a front slash quit. Now here I have already told you that I want to check or I want to install Postgres on this particular machine. So first, let me check manually whether Postgres is available or not. It's not available, but just to ensure, system CTL status. So it's not available. Now let's try to check the same with Gemini. So first we will validate using Gemini whether Postgres is available or not. And if not available, we will ask Gemini to install the same. Check the availability of Postgres database on this machine. So I've just provided a prompt. Let's see. And one beautiful thing that I've noticed that whatever steps that Gemini does, it also keeps on printing. So it asks for a permission that it wants to run which PSQL, and I provided it. and now it is trying to execute the other command, package manager, which dpkg. Okay, now there it will again try, it will do a grep and try to find Postgres. So it says that based on its checks, Postgres does not appear to be installed. So now it says that would you like me to install it for you? So I will say that yes, install PostgreSQL, say version 17 on this machine. So I'm not running any command. I'm just asking Gemini to do the same on behalf of me. And it has started running commands, and also it is printing the steps of the commands that it is running on this machine. And here you can see that the analyzing system details. So it also shows that the last activity is running for how much time. And in any case, due to some permission issue, if Gemini fails to install something or fails to execute certain commands, it also shows the suggestions that how to overcome those barriers that it is finding it. Okay, so then it will ask you to first fix those issues and then come back here and provide the prompt. Okay, so now it says that Postgres service is active. That means that it has installed Postgres. And here we can see that, yes, it is up and running for 1 minute and 8 seconds. And it says that the service is active. And now you can connect to database. Is there anything else I can help with you? Let's try one or two steps. Let's see. Execute, select version statement in the database to page the version of the Postgres. Let's see. Okay, it says that it will run the sudo -u postgres psql -c select version command, and it is asking for a permission. So yes, allow once, and it gives me the version as well. So that means that it has successfully installed. Okay, now let's try to do something else. Let's see if it can create a database for me. Create new database named new D. So now I have asked to create a new database for me. Let's see. It says that the database has been created. Okay. Now show me the list of available databases. Yes, and okay, it is able to connect to the database, and it has performed this particular column, that is sudo u postgres PSQL hyphen L, and then it has listed out the available databases. And here we can see that the database that I asked Gemini to create, so it has successfully created that new DB as well. So I haven't executed any command by myself. I just asked Gemini to install Postgres. It has installed, and then I also asked Gemini to create a database for me, and it has created the same. So before winding up, let's do additional two activities. One is let me ask to connect me to the new DB and create a new table. Connect. Okay. Connect to new DB and create a new table as sample under public schema. The table should have one column. Column name is ID. Column type is integer. Let's see if it can create or not. So here you can see that the table has been created, and also you can see here the command that it has executed, that it has connected to the new DB, and then it has executed a create table command public.sample and id int. Okay, so now let's see whether it has actually created or not. List out the tables available in new DB. So now I have asked Gemini to list out the tables available in NewDB. Now I should see uh, that DT. Yeah. Oh, yes. So here you can see that it has executed that slash DT command, and now it has given me that yes, one table is available whose name is sample. So it says that here are the tables in the database. Can I help with anything else? No. For this episode, we are done with it. So maybe we will play around with this Gemini and database. We will try to get more insights from a database in our next episode. Stay tuned and keep supporting Anju Speaks Tech. So now let's quit. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you for watching.